about the is it because I pressed the thing so here's the I show you a few fidget spinners, right? So here's the other one. Look at this. Oh, here's the other one. Yep, army. It's army, like blackberry berries on the. Oh, you saw that? So it has a little berry in there. So, yep. The second one. Next is this one. Yep, it's glass. And has another. You can see I have another fingerprint, and it has scrape earrings. So yep. Got the other one. This one. The gold one. So yeah. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you to the next video. Because this is second. So bing. Goodbye. Peace out. Dun, 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 dun.